An 18-year-old accused of stealing a truck, then driving dangerously through Portage la Prairie. He's just one of the people recently denied bail in Winnipeg.
We spent time in the bail courts inside this courthouse to learn more about who's being released, who's not, and why.
As the federal government promises sweeping changes to the bail system to make it harder for some to get out. During 2 days of hearings, 7 people applied for bail. Only 2 were let out. Cases often involved issues like addictions, mental health, cognitive issues, or homelessness. Problems one prosecutor says bail courts aren't set up to handle.
There simply isn't enough support, I don't believe, in the community to address these issues. And when they come to us, we are even less equipped to deal with it. We deal with it according to law.
In the Portage la Prairie case from September, prosecutors said the man was pushing drivers off the road. His lawyer said he has severe fetal alcohol spectrum disorder and proposed community supports and an ankle monitor to try to get him released. But the judge said even an ankle bracelet wouldn't address the key problem, the impulse issues caused by his FASD. In another case, a former legal assistant with a drinking problem, accused of violating court orders by consuming alcohol, then repeatedly contacting her mom. Her lawyer argued in court that what she needs right now is support, not jail. She was also denied bail because she couldn't confirm the place she'd live if released. In another case, a homeless man with mental health issues accused of acting aggressively at Winnipeg's Victoria Hospital. Not long after, trying to go into restricted areas at St. Boniface Hospital. A judge denied him bail too, saying on the face of it, it's a person who's in distress causing chaos in a healthcare setting. But in the context of his record, this is a chronic issue.
The 2 people who did get bail in the hearings we watched were both accused of domestic violence. They had firm plans like living with a family member or staying on a dry reserve to help address their risk and make sure they follow the rules.
One defense lawyer worries recent calls for change to the bail system would make it even harder to be released, especially for people who are already struggling.
It disadvantages people who have mental health concerns, it disadvantages people who have addictions, and people who are homeless or struggling with poverty. Those are people we should be trying to support.
Lawyers say those issues come up a lot in bail court, and having more specialized resources for those people could help take some strain off the system. It remains to be seen what effect the federal government's proposed changes would have if passed by Parliament. Caitlin Gowrluck, CBC News, Winnipeg.